As you heard, my name is Nderu, and standing here today as the WDLP President the year 2025 is such an honor. It's such an honor as I represent a very extraordinary group of women leaders. I remember our very first day at Strathmore Business School. We walked into SBS with a mix of excitement, obviously some curiosity, and a quiet panic. A quiet panic as we tried to look confident while secretly behind the scenes wondering if everyone else had figured out what they had signed up for. I know I hadn't. But the introductions and the laughter and the awkwardness that was on that first day built us into what we are today. And something thereafter clicked. We realized we were all stepping into an unknown journey together, and that everything was going to be just fine. That first day, before lectures and frameworks and deliverables, we built something far more important, and that was trust. Then came the group activity, the Clarity 4D, a leadership style test where we explored personalities. Our colors and our leadership styles were exposed, and suddenly we weren't strangers anymore, and we were a living human rainbow. We were reds, yellows, greens, and blues. That exercise didn't just help us understand ourselves, it helped us understand each other. It also helped us to understand the people that we deal with in our day-to-day lives, including our partners and our children as well. From that moment on, we knew that this was going to be an interesting year. And one of the unforgettable highlights of this year has been our international trip to London. It was more than just a study tour. It was a leadership immersion. For me, the most powerful moment was meeting exceptional women who have held on global stages, standing face to face with the Kenyan women Deputy Secretary General of the Commonwealth was as well deeply inspiring. Just hearing her speak about influence, integrity, and global services reminded us that leadership from Africa can and does shape the world. It ignited something in many of us, a renewed belief that our voices mattered beyond our borders, which is what I believe Strathmore has set out to do the whole of this year. Throughout the year, the program pushed us to our limits. We juggled careers, families, businesses, and somehow still submitted our project assignment on time. We coordinated group work, navigated different personalities, obviously helped by the Clarity 4D leadership style that we had, test that we had done earlier on, and we learned to lead even when overwhelmed. The balancing was the hidden curriculum in the WDLP program, Madam Kellen. Learning to show up consistently and intentionally despite the pressure around us. And as we reflect on this journey, it would be impossible not to acknowledge the people who guided us. Our faculty challenged our thinking, refined our instincts, and broadened our horizons. But allow me to offer special thanks to a few of these people. I want to give special thanks to our course director, the Associate Dean, Executive Education, Ms. Kellen Kariuki. Kellen did far more than teach us. She stewarded with grace, you've seen her, charisma and confidence, and surprising an amount of fun as well. She held this space together. Then there was Dennis and Paris, the course coordinators. You've seen the group of women that has been presented before you today. It is not an easy job being able to coordinate them, and they as well helped with problem solving, and it kept us grounded. They ensured everything ran smoothly, from schedules to logistics to the countless details we often took for granted. Thank you so much, Paris and Dennis, for your professionalism, your kindness, and your commitment to success. I came seeking knowledge, but I live with clarity, confidence, and community. I grew not just as a professional, but as an individual. The friendships, the debates, the moments of breakthroughs, the concerts, the various spaces we have been invited to, courtesy of SBS, all of it has shaped the leader that I am becoming. And so what does the future look like for the WDLP class of 2025? It looks promising. It looks powerful. It looks like leaders who are globally aware, grounded in values, and ready to influence across industries, sectors, and continents. Some of us will build organizations, and some of us will reimagine them, as some will serve at national and international levels. But all of us will live with the purpose of integrity and excellence that Strathmore has instilled in us. And how do we keep the class going and the fire burning? WDLP class of 2025. We stay connected. We continue to learn from one another as we've done throughout the year. We support each other's ambitions. We share opportunities and keep showing up, just as we did from day one. This community is a lifelong leadership network. My fellow graduates, today we celebrate, tomorrow we keep forward with influence, and every day after that we lead. Asanteni.